Dane County Public Health officials warn if you vape, you should immediately stop. Amy Reed spoke with the agency today about this warning, and she joins us now to explain why they are doing this now. Amy?
Yeah, we've seen the news on this develop over the last few months, case after case of people using vape pens or e-cigarettes and getting sick or even dying. Now some health experts think they found a common thread, but until it's certain, Dane County wants you to quit.
Now you're really seeing more of these USB type devices. They're discreet, they're easy to hide, and they're hip.
Nina Gregerson has seen vaping evolve over the last few years, from devices that mimic cigarettes to ones you might not even realize are for vaping unless you saw someone using it. In her role with Public Health Madison and Dane County, she's also seen a growing concern over what's inside these things, which is why today the agency said people who vape need to stop immediately, especially if your brain is still developing.
These drugs do alter a developing brain and can prohibit proper brain development in young people and can make them more susceptible to addictions in the future.
In Wisconsin, there have been 34 confirmed cases of hospitalization from severe lung disease or damage tied to vaping. Nationwide, more than 200 cases are being investigated. New research out today shows the same chemical linked among these cases, vitamin E oil. Landon Meskey, the general manager of Knuckleheads, has another theory.
I think they do need to stop vaping. They need to stop vaping black market THC cartridges. That is the stem of this problem.
He's seen this method, THC cartridges, getting more common in recent years in correlation with this uptick in lung disease. People getting THC cartridges from unknown sources could be inhaling anything, and he said that should be looked at more than just vaping.
I'm not saying that I think vaping is healthy or not. Like, obviously, you're putting something into your body, into your lungs. It's not going to be good for you. I just think there needs to be long-term studies done with this.
But for Gregerson, it doesn't matter whether it seemed safe for years. Right now, she says it's not.
It's important to stop using these products until we know exactly what's going on.
Most cases of this new uptick in lung disease in Wisconsin have been tied to vaping THC, but Gregerson said we need to be careful no matter whether it's that or nicotine. She said both can be harmful, especially if you're a teenager.